Welcome to day 11. Despite the fact that so many people have smartphones and only ask Google for directions, I think it's still nice to talk to real people, and not everyone has got a smartphone anyway. So today we'll learn how to ask for places. As in English, there are several ways of asking how to get somewhere. Some are easier than others. Some make a lot of sense but involve quite a bit of grammar. Grammar sounds scary to beginners. So we will just learn a very basic sentence by asking where is. Where is in German is wo ist. And then you just add the place you need. No, stop, not quite so easy. You may already know that German nouns can be masculine, feminine or neuter. So instead of the, you'll need der for masculine nouns, die for feminine nouns, and das for neuter nouns. So, if you're asking where the station is, you would say, wo ist der Bahnhof? And I repeat, wo ist der Bahnhof? If you need to know where the chemist is, you'll say, wo ist die Apotheke? I repeat, wo ist die Apotheke? And if you need to know where the hotel with whatever name it is, wo ist das Hotel? ... Wo ist das Hotel? If, however, you just want to know where there is a supermarket in the area, you could ask, wo ist ein Supermarkt? Wo ist ein Supermarkt? If you want to know where there is a pub nearby, wo ist eine Kneipe? Wo ist eine Kneipe? And if you fancy going to the cinema, you could say, wo ist ein Kino? Wo ist ein Kino? Other examples, wo ist der Dom? If you're looking for the cathedral. Wo ist der Dom? Other masculine nouns, wo ist der Supermarkt? If you know there is one. Wo ist der Supermarkt? Wo ist der Parkplatz? If you're looking for the car park. Wo ist der Parkplatz? If you're looking for any car park. Wo ist ein Parkplatz? Wo ist ein Parkplatz? If you're looking for other feminine nouns, wo ist die Kirche? If you're looking for the church. Wo ist die Kirche? And any church, wo ist eine Kirche? Wo ist eine Kirche? The pub, maybe you know the name. Wo ist die Kneipe? Wo ist die Kneipe? A chemist, wo ist eine Apotheke? Wo ist eine Apotheke? And a few neuter nouns. Wo ist ein Hotel? If you're looking for any hotel really. Wo ist ein Hotel? Wo ist das Restaurant? Wo ist das Restaurant? If you're looking for a particular restaurant. Wo ist ein Restaurant? Wo ist ein Restaurant? If you're looking for any restaurant. Wo ist das Café? Wo ist das Café? A particular one. Und wo ist ein Café? If you're just looking for a café. Wo ist ein Café? Plural would be wo sind? Wo sind? As in, wo sind die Toiletten? If you know there are toilets, but you don't know where they are. If you're looking for any toilets, you don't need to use the die and you just say, wo sind Toiletten? Wo sind Toiletten? To recap all the words that I've mentioned in the video, wo ist where is. With a masculine noun, you would either use der if you're looking for a particular one, or ein if it's anyone. The words I've mentioned so far were Bahnhof for the station, Dom for the cathedral, Supermarkt for the supermarket, Parkplatz, which is a car park. Feminine nouns I've mentioned are Kirche for the church, Kneipe for the pub, and Apotheke for the chemist. And if you're looking for those, you need die if you want to say the, or eine if you want to say a. Neuter nouns, which you would need das if you're looking for the, or ein for a again. Hotel, Restaurant, Café, which are nice and easy because they're almost like in English. Das Kino, the cinema. If you need to ask for something plural, you use wo sind, where are, as in wo sind die Toiletten. Now there's a pretty good chance that I have mentioned places here that you probably never ask for, and you really want to go to other places. For that, you would need to go and get the dictionary and find out what it says. Now, some dictionaries will tell you the gender by saying der, die or das. Others will just say masculine or an M even, feminine or an F, or neuter or an N. Google Translate will also give you the gender if you type the plus the word in English, and then you get der, die or das on the German side, and you can then click on the listening button to find out how to pronounce those words. Whatever means you use, try them out before you go on holidays. There's nothing worse than trying to find your way around a dictionary when you need it urgently. One last thing. All these different genders seem quite daunting for beginners, so here's one tip, but I'm not going to say it out too loud. When you're in Germany for the first time and you're about to say something, but can't remember whether to say der, I or das, use any of them, or even mumble it. Because most of the time, the Germans only listen out for the important word, and they don't even notice if you've got it wrong. So today's task, write the new phrases into your notebook. Add any other ones that you may need. Practice asking where these places are. Find somebody who you can ask in German, or message me here or via Twitter. And most importantly, enjoy yourself. See you tomorrow.